Hi everybody, Mark here with Chatlead Matrix, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what the comment tag machine does. Now it also has an auto reply on a comment, but it also has a tag machine. And why would you want to use the tag machine and tag people on a post? Because what it does, it personalizes it, and when somebody makes a comment on one of your posts and you tag them, okay, so you do a reply to this comment here, and if you tag people, they will get a notification that they've been mentioned in a comment. And everybody, when they're being talked about, will, if I get a notification that somebody has mentioned me in a comment, I certainly will look at it. Okay, so you can do this in bulk. So I am logged in as another user. See, I'm logged in as a user called Gingy, and I'm going to go to this post right here. It's on my list magnet page, Revolutionary. It's a video. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make a comment. Looks great. This is a tag machine test. All right. So I'm going to make that comment right there. And then I'm going to go to Chatlead Matrix, and you'll see it says tag machine. And first, what you need to do is to enable a post. So this will bring up all your pages, and I'm going to go to the list magnet page, and you can do it by post ID if you know what the post IDs are, or else you can just click on here to enable the post. It also has a report too. So I'm going to click on enable post, and all your posts will come up here. So it's the one that says Revolutionary. You see that? And there's the post ID right there. So I'm going to click on fetch, enable, and fetch commenter. Okay, so it is enabled right now. So now when it's enabled, you can go to there and you can click on create a campaign. There's also some reports as well. So when I click on create campaign, you'll see this comes up, and the post ID comes up that I have enabled, and it says there's 4 comments and there's 4 commenters. Okay, and you click on there, it'll give you the names of them, and you can actually unsubscribe to them right here. So there's the one that I just made called Gingy, and there's 4 people that made comments on here, and you can rescan. Okay, so if people are commenting as you're doing this, you can rescan to get more comments and commenters. Okay, you can click here for a report. Now there's 2 options here. There's the comment and bulk reply, and the comment and the bulk comment reply. This is just a bulk commenting. So if I click on create, I can name a title here. It has spin syntax. So you can put their first and last name, and you can tag a user here. And what this does, let me go back to this page. If I make a reply here, okay, so if I do a reply, it'll actually give a reply, a bulk reply to each user. So it'll send a reply to Dan and to Shane, and there's one other person in here. And to myself, there's 4 people in here. It'll send a reply to each of the people who made a comment. Okay, and you can also upload an image or a video as well to be sent. You can delay it, and I would recommend to delay it. The tagging machine you want to use with caution, but also you can use the comment and bulk tag, and I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to do this as a test. And here is where you would tag. See, it says click on that. Content to bulk tag commenters. I'm going to say, looks awesome. This tag machine doing a test here. Looks great. Okay. And I can upload a video or an image, and I can just drag and drop it right in this area. Then it says select the commenters. Okay, so click on there. This range is sorted. So I'm going to click on the latest 1 to 4. And remember, I have 4 commenters on there. And do not tag these commenters. It says start typing. You can read that. Start typing names you don't want to include. So if I click the letter A, you see that a couple people show up. So I can exclude that person. Okay, so it just says start typing. Okay, if I start typing in there, people's names will come up. Okay. But I'm going to include everybody, And so I'm going to add this comment, and it's going to tag all 4 people. And I'm going to click on Submit Campaign. Okay, and it says click here to see the report. All right, so it's pending. So you'll see it work. It's based on a cron job. I'll pause it and come back. All right, so it took about 1 minute. The cron is based on 1 minute, but you'll see that the status is completed. Now I have not looked at my Facebook page yet, so I wanted to show you this live. But you'll see that there's a report here, and this shows you the people that have made comments on that post, and it says bulk tag and comment has been completed successfully, and I can go click on here and see the comments. Okay, but I'm just going to bring it to my browser. You can actually delete this as well. You can go right to your page right here. It tells you if there is an attachment, yes or no, and it tells you the dates when it was created and last updated. Okay, so I'm going to go to my page here, and I'm logged in as that other user here, and you can see here that obviously when I come down here, when I click on List Magnet, mentioned you in a comment. So I'm obviously going to click on that. Okay. So when I click on there, it's going to bring me to that post, and look what it did. Here's that post right here. And when I come down below, it looks awesome. This tag machine is doing a test here, and it tagged all 4 people. See that? And so people will a personalized notification that they're mentioned in a comment. So now I'm going to show you how the other one works. This is create a campaign. And now we're going to do instead of the comment and tag bulk, we're going to do the bulk comment reply. And test bulk reply. And I'm going to say, hey, and it's going to, what this does, it gives a response to every one of your commenters, okay? And hey, just testing out the tag machine on this post. Awesome. All right, and you can also tag users here as well. And we're going to go there, and I can upload a video and so forth. So reply the same commenter multiple times. So if somebody's on a post and they make 10 comments, you don't want to have the same response to all 10 of their comments, only to their first one. You obviously, if you're going to do this in bulk, you certainly want to have it delayed between two replies. So maybe 15 seconds. Okay, and I will send now. Okay. So let me just click on, and remember this is based on a cron job. So if I click on see the report, it's going to be pending. So let me just pause this once again. Okay, so now this bulk comment reply report is finished. It says completed. If I click on there, it gives the report, status reply. So it's going to reply to each person, and we will see if it tags each person again on every one of the replies. So I'm going to come and I'm going to visit the post, and it's actually, you can come here and visit the post right here. And I got 2 notifications. List Magnet replied to you on your comment on their post, and they're mentioned again. Yeah, so that's how it works. So you can see here, there's the first one, Jeff here, and there's a reply here. Let me go to the bottom here, more replies. Oops. Yeah, so there's the first one. Hey Jeff, just testing it out, and it tags him, so he's going to get these 2 notifications. You know, to mention you, people will want to see what that's about. The second one, here's a second person, and it did the same to him. Here's Dan, and it did the same to Dan, and there's me, Gingy Crush, and it did the same to me. So that's how it works. And this is a way to get people's attention to a comment, and you can put your marketing to task.